Bonjour. Hi everyone. My name is Angeline Joseph and I'm 24 years old and I'm from New Delhi, India. And I'm a pastry chef in France. I was really motivated to apply for this program by Gastronomy France because I feel like they made the process of finding a job really easy for international students like me. And the whole process was really smooth, hassle-free, and I enjoyed every bit of it. And definitely the experience has been really different because I come from a big city, and being in France, I've mostly lived in small villages, which is really different from the big cities that I've grown up in. And it's been pretty nice. It's a really calm environment, very peaceful. So it's been a change, but I think it's been a good change. And living alone without family is always hard, but I feel like that's part of life. And I would definitely recommend this experience to others because it really helped me grow a lot and it helped me learn a lot. And the people over at Gastronomy France are really helpful and they help you throughout all the time. So, and they're really attentive to all your needs and really helpful. So definitely would recommend this experience to everyone. Thank you. Bye.